tunangoja basically ipite.
Yes, I will get to Nakuru.
As long as it gets to that.
Kaka yangu, yeah, the oppo looks like this pink one here. Able to see another one. I could not even buy it for it. You know how much? Let's go. I thought it was the expert. I'm not gonna say so. Lakini hapana, I'm also the same price na huyo mzee. I'm also the same price. Mbali, angalia bacho likanda kunyonga. When I'm with you, I cannot lose the moments. You just do it for them. Nobody do body like you do. When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it for them. Nobody do body like you do. Oh.
Tulikujanga hapa tukanunua kahawa na mama ya 300. Nika kwa kikombe ndogo. Ya nyumbani
300 each.
Na tusema na hii kikombe ndogo. Being kind of a person.
300 per cup.
Eh.
Na mngekuja hapa hivi mkunywe jua ya 120.
See, that is the problem. Actually, see 120 ni so.
Nilikuwa na pesa. Kuna kitu ilikuwa inaitwa pesa, ilikuwa na how can I lose? So we're taking takeaway. Okay. Go order. I'm not sure what drink I want. You're thinking we have kebab?
I don't know. Hiki nasikia nataka ya kukula. Ningenunua pia donut.
Ama we see we have a kebab. My kebab special.
How much?
Kebab special. 150.
Rwanda mandazi. Rwanda mandazi.
Say that again?
Mandazi.
You want after?
Mandazi.
Ukulera?
Chai.
How old are you again? Wow. Okay.
So ni mandazi. Mandazi. 50. Cheap price. So kebab special mbili. See, okay, we got it because you're having it here.
Yeah. You go upstairs or you sit downstairs?
Hey, upstairs, I couldn't service.